Good morning. My name is Bob Gersh. I'm a reverse mortgage specialist at iReverse Home Loans. And today I would like to bring up the issue of when I want to go to my dentist, I don't expect him to do my taxes. When I go to my CPA or my tax practitioner, I don't expect him to clean my teeth. When I go to the doctor, I'm not expecting the doctor to give me legal advice. And when I'm going to my financial planner, I'm not expecting him to end up putting on my braces. So this may all sound pretty weird, but the reality is specialists have their specialties. That's obvious, but it needs to be said because when you're looking at your overall U program, be it for your health, be it for your retirement planning, be it for planning the rest of your life, or just for day-to-day living, there are various specialists which you rely on. Maybe it's a RN, maybe it's a doctor, maybe there are various doctors, maybe there are various attorneys that handle estate planning, some handle tax work, some tax practitioners just do personal income taxes, some do corporate work. You may be a business owner and you may have various advisors. Some people actually are specialists that work for you in your company. Or you may have other consultants that you rely on, outside consultants dealing with your business, and you may have others that deal with your personal situations. So you get a lot of people that potentially you're working with. Well, part of the issue is sometimes there are blinders. Everyone is coming at your situation from their specialty perspective. And nobody is really putting all these people together to deal with the issues that may be in common and one related to the other. And it's a case of, you may wonder, well, why am I, or maybe you know, but you're hesitant to take certain actions because you're really thinking about how does it affect other things. And maybe you need someone to sit down with who is somewhat impartial to any of these specialties, but is able to, at that point, just figure out where do you need to bring in various specialists to handle various items within your personal planning. And maybe it's just to figure out, where am I in my retirement program? Maybe you're in your 50s or 60s and thinking about that retirement, thinking about what do I do with the business or profession that I'm involved in, which is producing my income. How do I deal with that? Well, you bring in your attorneys, your CPAs. Maybe you're going to continue running the business. Maybe you're going to semi-retire from the business. Do I need to sell the business? All kind of issues come up. As an individual, when should I collect that Social Security? Maybe that has to deal with tax issues. Maybe that has to deal with your rest of your investment portfolio. Is there an investment portfolio? Is there a house? What's the condition of the house? What repairs are needed? Should I get the repairs done now or should I wait? Should I sell the house? Should I stay with the house? Should I downsize? Should I continue as an owner or renter? Should I stay in the locale I am? Lots of questions and lots of people would be involved. Well, if you want to sit down, just discuss these issues, or on the phone, just discuss these issues and figure out who are the right professionals and potentially put them together as your own personal board of advisors in such a way that they work in concert with each other, not separately in a separate vacuum. So if any of that makes sense to you and or piques your interest in trying to put together more of a unified plan, the holistic method, feel free to give us a call for more information on that and be happy to discuss it and potentially be of assistance in that program. And again, my name is Bob Gersh with iReverse Home Loans at 781-202-7475, extension 700. And be happy to speak to you. And you can also, on the web, go to askbobgersh.com and we'll be able to, you can send us an email that way, and or look at more of our information. We have great videos on Facebook like this one, talking about various subject matter, as well as the rest of our website has various audio as well as video presentations that you can get to on YouTube, on Facebook, as well as other websites that we have. Feel free to browse through that and ask any questions you have. Again, 781-202-7475. Will reach us and be happy to speak to you. And have a good weekend.